Alright, what's up everybody? It's Michael at Fouch Fabs. We are at our job site for today and we have got to try to get up there with the truck. The only way I really see is to back down. I really don't want to back down this. Oh no. Maybe I can. I'll tell you what. I don't know. That doesn't loop all the way around. So, so in here is where we need to go. It's so steep. I need to get up in there. Let's put it right here. Let's see. Here and back up. That's what we got to do. So, that's what we got to do. So I think that's what we're going to do. Let's see how we guys on this. So this is the kitchen, guys. So a lot of what we're doing is in here. This big metal thing here, that's a first for me that I've seen that. You know, we're not electricians or maintenance men. That should have been pulled out. We've slid the gas stove up as far as we can. We still got some slack on the line, so if we need to pull it further, we can. I did not want to unhook it. I think those are my channel locks down there. The guys was getting ready to unhook it, and I told them not to. I got this over here. I only got this funny thing over here that's a pipe going in the wall. Got that. I don't know. And we got a bathroom here. One thing that they should be a lot happier about was these guys, you know, they just cut it in half, you know, I guess to make it easier to get in or whatever, but we got a seam here. We did ours in one piece. So, got a seam over here right in front of this window. We did ours in one piece here as well. I don't think we have any seams on this, y'all, do we?
Just the seam to the grill.
That they're trying to put
together. Yeah.
And the grill's some kind of weird crap, I don't know, but we're supposed to seam our stuff to their stuff or something, I don't know. Y'all see when we get out there. They've got that thing covered up with so much tarp and all that stuff. Look at this. That's right in our walkway. This is the grill area. Awesome, right? Absolutely awesome. Silicone. Make it ridiculously hard. Ridiculous. We've been all through the house looking for the master bath to find this. We knew there was a locked door here. So I called my wife who does the templates. She's trying to explain it to me, but she does a lot of homes. She can't remember. So I have Tony call the customer. And the master bath is behind the locked door. She was like, I'll have to send somebody out to unlock the door for you. Oh, Lord have mercy. All right. They put a little bit of silicone on this as well. Awesome. Alright guys, we're tearing out this sink here. The way we always do it is we go underneath and take the clips out. A lot of times you can just pop them with a hammer and they'll come out. These were like flush and then they had silicone all over them, so Tony's having to get under there with the screwdriver and take them out. And once we get the clips out, we take our blade and cut the silicone bead around it, and then we start popping shims in there until it comes apart. If they're trying to save the sink or the stone, you know, you gotta be a little more careful, but in this case they're not. A lot of times you'll run into this nut on this faucet is actually helping hold the sink up as well, so you gotta watch that.
You want me to go under?
So everything was left hooked up, all the nuts on the faucets and all that. I don't know if they're trying to reuse these faucets or what. The only thing they disconnected was the line to the water. So, alright guys, for this piece of full height, I tried to use the Grab-O and put it on it and pull, but it was just stuck too good. So then I took this little pry bar, got it up under it, turned it so that I could get the big pry bar up in it. And now I've been working it out, so I've about got it, but you still want to not scratch the cabinets. So, Tony, will you film me for a bit?
Yeah.
It's already videoing. So I'm just going to take and I'm going to push that back in there so it doesn't get caught on it. And I've been prying back on that, but now I'm going to go ahead and stick the Grab-O back on here. So now I've got a good grip on it, and I can get my hand under here now. It just gave, but as you see, I put my pry bar across there so it doesn't slip down and maybe go in there and bust something or anything like that. Alright, so now I gotta kind of work this thing out a little bit. Where's that other pry bar at?
On the floor over there.
What's that? That is up to you whether you want to do that or not. It's not our job to do that. All I'm doing is kind of using these pry bars as like something to help hold this stuff up while I get it out. Alright, now I'm just going to turn her sideways. I'm trying not to knock the pry bar down in there, and that's it, guys. We got it. You got it, Tony?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, guys, we are trying to separate this, I don't know what you call it, Peninsula Island. It's where the gas range is. And as we're sticking our shims in here to pry it, they've put so much silicone on these. The top of the cabinet is separating with the stone. So nothing we did wrong. So now we're going to pop a shim in over top of where it's separating to try to keep it down. So just wanted to document that. I don't know if you misunderstood me. I was just saying I wasn't going to steal his guns because I've got three in the truck.
He did not say nothing, brother. All thing he asked was, he said, the Spanish guy's like, I said, no. He said, if you're going out there, just lock it up because they come in here. I don't want them going to my bedroom. That's all he said. That had nothing to do with y'all. He don't want those guys in his bedroom. And I understand that. I mean, he's letting them use the bathroom. He don't want them in there. And I'm going to put the guy is, if you want to the door open, you got to stay in here. You're not in here. said I was trying to take those guns on my bro. I just said what he said.
What's up?
I'm just telling you what he said. I ain't said that much about your guns and all that.
You said he had a bunch of guns in there, and I was just
Brother, I don't think I said, the reason why you said you want to throw like he said guns in there, you got 3 or 4 guns in your truck. If you know like I know anyway, bragging about where your guns at ain't gonna have you vulnerable no way. I know you got it, so if we do get into it, I know what you're gonna go for.
Why would we get into it? I was just saying I'm not gonna steal his
Because
gun.
you got smart. I didn't say you trying to steal his gun.
I got smart.
Yeah, you got smart. Only thing I said was, bro, if you need to go in the room, tell me. I'll let y'all back in the room. I'm outside. That's all I said. If that's a big problem for you, I don't know what to tell you.
Brother, I didn't get smart. All right, guys, we're wrapping it up for the night. Still got to caulk out everything. It's like 7 o'clock though. It's actually 10 after 7, so I just wanted to do a video showing you kind of what we got done tonight. And I've got to drill 2 more holes in here. They're going to reuse the faucet that's outside, so I'll be taking care of that when I come back. Got to caulk all the sinks out and stuff. We got this piece of full height in. We'll have to do a little modification on it, and I won't get you guys in this unless you want to be in it. You're fine. I won't get you in it unless you just want to be. This is the cook or slide in peninsula, whatever you want to call it. We used a 3-inch, pretty much 3-inch hole bit to drill that, so I figured that was the tightest way to get it. We still, like I said, we still got to clean up all of our tops. You see all the writing and stuff is on them, so of course we'll take care of that when we come back. Caulk everything out, clean it. Window sill, still got to caulk it out, clean it, do just a little touch up. The island here, it's in. We've got it shimmed up, secure, got the sink mounted, but everything's just got to be cleaned and made to look nice. Same with over here, we got the piece in. I'll take you out here and show you this grill area. We're kind of just sweeping and cleaning up. He's already got things locked, guys. I'll show you the grill next time. We're just trying to clean up our mess. So that's it, guys. We're sweeping up and getting everything taken care of. And when we come back and finish the job, I'll show you the finished product, how everything looks. Appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see you when we come back.